Here's our 2016 GMC Canyon SLT. This is a 4x4. See the V6 engine in here. This truck actually had front end damage here, so pretty much most of the front end was replaced. I know both that fender for sure. This fender was savable, but we did put a brand new fender on it. All of the repairs, all of the paintwork, everything was done actually by our local GM dealership. We do have the receipts to verify that. You can see everything down below. Everything is all brand new. Nothing was repaired, if you will, or, you know, duct taped together or anything like that. If it was damaged, it was bought brand new. Hood shuts great. Gaps are great. The paint is flawless. It's just like factory paint. You can see the front end here was painted. This was not painted, so here's kind of two pieces that weren't painted, and this was painted. So you can see that it's all the same. Of course, this truck's only got 5,000 miles on it. You can hardly tell there because there's some sand and snow in the tires. But tires are like brand new. Sorry, we've got some large junk here on the floor. We're not covering anything up or anything, just our computer. Does have backup camera. It's a pretty fully loaded truck. I believe it's got every option you can get. Looking up in the wheel well, everything's fine. And here up underneath the truck. A little cold out there today. I'll go ahead and shut her off. Open up the door. It just kind of makes everything reset for you. Just so I can show you a fresh restart. I believe we only have one set of keys for this truck. It does have remote start. And I will leave my hand up here just so you know I'm not trying to clear anything on you. Of course, my other one's holding the camera here. And as you can see, there's no check engine lights whatsoever other than the one telling me to put my seatbelt on. So I will go ahead and do that. And that light goes out. And as you can see, we got 5,290 miles. The mileage will change. We are offering test drives on the vehicle, so the mileage will go up a little bit. You can say it is four-wheel drive. Here we got our cruise, our radio control functions. Buttons on the back side of the steering wheel for your volume. Of course, we do have heated seats. Looks like we do not have an owner's manual for this truck. Just like brand new. Take her out and go for a little test drive. I believe since the repairs of this truck has been made, I believe we put on, I think about 300 or 400 miles on this truck. It's been fully tested. Again, all of the repairs were done by our local GM dealership, so you know it was done right. Of course, they warranty everything as far as, you know, the repair work that they did. They'll stand behind that, so you know it's all good. Everything on this truck runs perfectly. Really, it's like a brand new truck. Everything functions like brand new. Everything works. There's no shimmy, shakes, wobbles, or anything like that. Truck has been aligned. Had the alignment checked. Actually, it didn't need any adjustment whatsoever. There was no suspension damage, no frame damage. can see I got the cruise set at 64. Here the road kind of levels out. So as you can see, I let go of the steering wheel. I'm not touching it whatsoever. And we're still going straight down the road. It doesn't pull one way or the other. Again, I can let go. Just runs out really nice and true and straight. Again, everything, you know, blinkers all work, horn works, of course, obviously, our wipers work, everything works, windows go up and down, everything works just like new. Here I'll do a hard brake test. Sorry about that, that was actually our computer sliding there. So that is going to conclude our test video for the day. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email. Thank you very much and have a good day.